What it do, YouTube? We here. We're here. Recording this on the S25 Ultra. So we're gonna just see how this does. You feel me? Do a little late night riding vlog. Really wish I had something to hold this phone, but you know, my hands would do. This guy done leaving the movies. One bad after the other is what I just seen. It was a decent movie. I'm not gonna lie. It was long. I was glad. I'm mad. Me personally, I feel like the movie theater, I'm not sure if it's just Rivergate, but it used to be, if you serve, the movie theater serve food, they serve food all the way until the last movie starts. And probably a little bit after the last movie started. I got there before, I had a 10:05. Typically got like a 10:30, 11 o'clock movie showing on Saturdays. My movie started at 10:05. I'm there early. I'm like, yeah, man, I'm gonna give me some nachos. I don't really see no nachos, but I see they got some new nachos that they promote. It's with hot chips and Doritos. So I was like, all right, maybe they got, like, you feel me, in the bags, like, you know, the little 30, well, I forgot how much it is. It used to be 33-cent bags, but they're like 50 cents now, 75, something like that. So little bags. I was like, all right, probably got the bags they're gonna put in the tray or something. So I just asked. Yeah, I got some nachos. Said nah. I was like, all right, can I get a pizza then? He said kitchen closed. I'm like, the kitchen closed? Man, you still got movies about to start? Not like it's the last movie rounds and they already been playing for like an hour. It's like they haven't even started. So I ain't getting nothing to eat. I'm about to actually grab something to eat right now. I low-key want to go downtown, but I ain't dressed for downtown. So I had to go home and change and stuff. Really just put on pants and find some shoes. But I'm just skip downtown because I really ain't got the energy. My back is killing me. So, record this video. Upload the rest of my 2K videos, because I ain't gonna lie, lately when I go to the movies, I edit videos during the movie. It's like I'm here for entertainment, but I'm working at the same time. Yeah, my back is killing me. But Brightside actually got a movie theater a little early, because them commercials, I went to the IMAX version this time. Them commercials, they didn't play no games with them. They were like, nah, let's get these commercials over with. I walk in, I want to say, the movie started at 10:05. The movie started at 10:20 on the dot. Like, we're not doing 20, 25 minute commercials. We starting 15 minutes of commercials, we getting y'all out of here. And I appreciate that. That's one of the reasons why I be coming late to the movies now. Cause I don't be one always, I come on somewhat on time for like Marvels. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna see what's coming out. But some movies like, I know there ain't no Marvel stuff coming out. Yeah. I can see horror stuff when I watch a YouTube video or watch TV. It'll be on like commercial. Okay, that's just what I like. I like horror movies, Marvel, any superhero movie really. Fast and the Furious series, I think they come out next May, which I find is stupid to be like a 3-year gap. I think it is from part 1. Like even Endgame wasn't. Endgame was just a year, wasn't it? Like it was only a year wait between. What was it? It was Avengers. Endgame was the last one. It was whatever the one in front of when Thanos snapped. It wasn't a year in between those, so I don't know why Fast and Furious think let's make a 2-3 year gap. And I think it says it's supposed to be 3 parts of that. I need to double check. I know it's 2 parts for the last Fast and Furious 10. I know it's 2 parts. I'm not sure if it's 3. And like you gonna have to have a refresh of the refresh. I really wish I had a little more time. I would have really slid downtown. I was really debating. But a lot of places stop letting you in at 1:30, 1:45. Wild Park is about a 10-minute walk. So maybe next weekend. I really want to record some content down there, but you know, in due time. Oh yeah, made it to 2,400 today. 2,400. Kobe, 24. I just looked back. The date that I started taking YouTube serious was January 22nd, 2023. It's just so ironic. 012223. Just 3 2s and ended with a 3. Hey, that's crazy. But yeah, that's when I took YouTube serious, was that date. And just be grateful to be monetized. It took me 17 months to get fully monetized. And that's because about the first year, I was trying to get monetized off shorts. And it's so hard to get monetized off shorts. I'm going to be honest. It's not worth it unless you want to just keep going viral in a short amount of time. Because you need 10 million shorts views in 90 days to get fully monetized. And for y'all who are doing YouTube and you be like, oh, I'm getting a lot of views right now of shorts, you might want to check into your analytics, because it's not, they change how views are. So it used to be they had to watch your short for a certain amount of time to be considered a view. So like, just say somebody had to watch your short for 3 seconds before it count as a view. Now it is, if it pop up on anybody's short feed, even if they swipe, like as soon as it pop up, they count that as a view. So now, before you get monetized, it had to be an engaged view. So you can go, excuse me. You can go through your analytics. You can do it on your phone and look at engaged views, and that lets you know if that's what they're that's how many people actually watch your stuff. Like they actually watch for a couple of seconds. It wasn't no little quick in and out like the burger spot. But yeah, I'm here to my destination. I'm here for the food. That man got the shoebox. That man just got the hoop, man. He got the computer. And it's a line. Man. That man about to work at cookout. Like they don't close in a few. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all riding with me. I'm a W, man. I ain't gonna block this man in. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all joining me. I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Godspeed.